gotta love this place, baby. My cow, baby. Check out this space, maybe. My Macau, oh, baby. Damn, baby. My Macau, oh, baby. Whoa, maybe. Checking it out, baby. Gotta get out and go, baby. Whoa, baby. My Minder, maybe. My Macau, oh, baby. Damn, baby. My Macau, oh, baby. Whoa, maybe.
It's pretty crazy. So this is actually Clerigos. We're gonna go down one of these side streets in a second, but I just want to give you a little context of how busy it is on a Sunday here today. People kind of everywhere. Okay. So we're gonna go down into one of these little side streets. I'll choose the one in a moment. Okay, we got another slice of Macau for you. Let's put this up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. Without further ado, let's just get right into it as if you're there yourself. Another slice of Macau. Let's do it. So this is actually called Cunha, Rua do Cunha. We're gonna try to get in these little alleys real quick. So these little alleys go into Taipa village. So this one is actually the street of the good marriages or good casados. And then this is kind of all these tourists coming all the way down. Okay, so we're gonna keep on walking down. We're going to try to find kind of an interesting street to go down, which I think is going to be this Clerigos street. You see all the people lined up in here too, right? So we're going to go down Clerigos in a moment, which is this street. Tons of people today. That's going to be our target down that way. Just kind of meander up real quick. Okay. There's just so many people. I just want to capture the feeling and the vibe. I think there's also some kind of K-pop event, I think. So I think that's why they're all lined up. And then you can also see a little sign says Baekhyun Day, Baekhyun Reverie. I saw another space as well. So I think it's some kind of K-pop event. And our target street is going to be Clerigos. Which is this one right here. Yeah, there's Clerigos. All part of this Taipa village area. So we're gonna meander down this area a little bit. See what all is down in here. These areas keep changing as well. So this one's gonna be a new place, Morris. Oh, this one's closed. I think this was a Thai restaurant. So that Thai restaurant closed. I heard all the rents are going quite a bit higher now, so it's probably creating a big fluctuation with. This one's been here for a while. It wins awards, Michelin Awards 2024, 2025. This one, I remember when they were building it during COVID, just maybe a few years ago. Nice place to sit and relax. Let's see. So yeah, everywhere is this guy right here, Jungkook. So I've been seeing references everywhere today. So they've been holding a lot of K-pop events. Everything Korea related is extremely popular these days. There's all these little alleys everywhere in here too. This is my messy kitchen. This goes Esperanza. So this is Esperanza Lane. We continue going down. So you see Galaxy Casino straight ahead. Dinner Time Cafe. Believe, I think that was closed. I think that was open and now it's closed. Everything's changing. Tapas de Portugal, that's been there for a while. Portuguese sandwiches. So we're still in Clerigos. And we have all these little alleys everywhere. And I think it's going to end right at this street, Clerigos. I think it's going to be, so see what we can capture. And yeah, here it is. I just want to go up this real quick. This is our street, Clerigos. And we'll just walk up here briefly. Hello. Oh, this is also Clerigos too. So we're actually still in Clerigos. So you can see the street sign right there. And there's Galaxy Casino right there. Let me go across real quick. Okay, let me just see. So this one goes all the way up to Taipa Central. And then Taipa Village is all kind of inside this little place in here. See if we can go across here. So yeah, Clérigos. That's the other street, Correia de Silva. Taipa Village. Okay. Antonio's kind of a well-known one. They win a lot of awards. And now we're kind of into our, back to our Clerigos. Small alleys everywhere. And I believe that the street will end up here. This is kind of cool. So that's going to be the ending of Clerigos. Here's Bella Taipa. We got this cool little building architecture as well. So that goes back to that main street right there. And then this has this nice, nice narrow little street. Okay. So we're gonna keep on walking down this way. Oh. This is coming along quickly, this yellow building. Gonna maybe say hello. That one right there is a good place, that green one. I was gonna say hello, but it's not quite part of the street. And there's Macau. They're building these, so this will soon be something kind of interesting. So right at the moment, it's going to be turning into something interesting. Okay, let's go back to our target street, Clerigos, then we'll end our video. So this is a slice of Taipa village for you. Okay. And there's even art exhibitions. Okay, so hope you like that one. Check out the pink balconies right there. It's so cool. So cool that they have those balconies like that. Okay. I think we're gonna end it right here. So this is all part of Clerigos Street.
Baby, gotta love this place, baby.